Good afternoon, sir. My name is Junel D. Pacardo from 3rd year Section Alpha. Today, I will discuss the Section 49 of the Omnibus Rule of Parole and Probation. So, this Section 49 tells the report on violation of probation condition. So, the section tells if the person under the probation breaks the rules or condition set by the court, the supervising officer will write the violation report explaining what is the violation or what is the violation and recommended action should be done. So this report must be approved by the Chief of Probation and Parole Officer or the CPPO. So after the approval of the CPPO, it sent or the violation letter will send to the trial court, and the trial court will decide if the probationer will giving a chance or it will send to a jail. So example nito sa sa section 49, kapag for example ang probationer is si Pedro, di ba? And one of the conditions sa kanya is dapat every month is kailangan niyang mag-report doon sa supervising officer niya. And then another condition sa kanya is dapat hindi siya iinom. And then lately si Pedro is hindi na siya nagre-report, or 2 months na siyang hindi nagre-report sa sa kanyang supervising officer. And then hindi na rin nakita rin siya na uminom sa public. So that point is nag-violate siya sa rules na condition ng court. And then the SO or the supervising officer is gagawa siya ng mag-write siya ng violation report, which is nakalagay doon yung violation niya na violation ng na condition na ng probationer. And then ilalagay din yung mga specific action na dapat i-recommend. And after that, kailangan approval yun or ipapacheck niya yun sa kanyang Chief Probation and Parole Officer or the CPPO. And then once na-approve na yon, yung yung violation letter, isi-send yun sa trial court, and the trial court will decide if si Pedro is pagbibigyan ba or bibigyan ng second chance or isi-send na sa jail. So yun yung sinasabi sa section 49 ng Omnibus Rule. That's all, sir. Thank you.